then select your photo which you want adjust. So I will take this photo and I will manage this photo. So first of all you need to remove your photo's background. So click on magic remover and your photo background will be removed totally. So if not removed, you will click on cropping and you can manage like this and like this. Then come back. Now its background has removed. Then click on here like this. Then you can easily add your photo here one by one. Then if you want add multiple photo, you will click here and you will click on duplicate. So after clicking, move here, move here, move here, move here. See friends, so you can easily manage and you can easily edit photo like this. So friends, see, now I am adjusting this photo like this. So friends, you can easily edit your photo like this and you can manage your photo in any background, and you can also select a different background, different photo if you want manage like this. So like this. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see you next video. Tata.